Hi guys! So for today's recipe, we're gonna make ginataang gulay. So ang mga ingredients natin, we have acorn squash. We also have enoki mushroom. We have ground pork. Kung gusto niyo naman vegetarian, of course you could omit the ground pork. We also have here a combination of garlic, ginger, and onion. And then we have here eggplants. And then kung gusto niyo ng maanghang, we have here our red chili. We also have here coconut milk. We have salt and pepper and fish sauce. And we also have bagoong and olive oil. There you go guys. So let's start making our ginataang gulay. So here sa ating pan, meron tayong olive oil, or kung gusto niyo naman canola oil or vegetable oil, that's fine as well. And then I just combine the onion, the garlic, and the ginger. And then we'll cook this for about 7 minutes until it's fully cooked. And then we'll proceed to the next step. So next na ilalagay natin is about a tablespoon of bagoong. If you don't have bagoong, fish sauce or salt will do. And then haluin nyo. And then slowly pour in your coconut milk, half lang. And let it boil. So, if you want it spicy, pwede nyo nang ilagay yung ating red chili. Pero, kung gusto nyo lang hindi naman spicy, of course, you could omit it. Then, at the same time, i-add na rin natin yung ating ground pork. So, as you can see guys, nagbo-boil na yung ating coconut milk together with our ground pork and then yung sile, yung onion, garlic, and ginger. We can start adding our acorn squash. And then mix it well again. Siguro this will take about 8 minutes para maging soft na yung ating acorn squash. So, siguro 8 to 10 minutes and then balikan natin. Yeah, it's getting softer, but it's not as soft as I wanted it to be. So, I'm gonna cook this again for another 2 to 3 minutes. And then by that time, soft na siya talaga. Okay, now malambot na yung ating acorn squash. I just added some pepper. And then I'm gonna add the remaining coconut milk. I'm also gonna add our eggplant. Mix it well again. It won't take that long for the eggplants to soften. You can also check the seasoning from time to time kung kulang pa ng pepper or fish sauce or bagoong or salt. Just adjust the taste according to your liking. Okay, so malambot na rin yung ating eggplants. The last step is to just add our enoki mushrooms or kung anumang mushrooms ang meron kayo. Or if you prefer not to have mushrooms, that's fine as well. So, mix na lang natin uli one more time. Guys, luto na yung ating ginataang gulay or vegetables cooked in coconut milk. I hope you give this a try and let me know what you think. Thank you!